So if you want to represent yourself, there's some things. Ms. Pugh, stop talking over me. If you want to stop talking over me. If you want to represent yourself, then there is a process that we have to go through, and we'll do that today if that's what you want to do. We'll get your case set for trial, and we'll go forward that way. It is highly inadvisable for you to represent yourself. Lawyers have many, many years of training. They understand the law. They understand how a trial works, because here's what happens. When you're in a trial and you represent yourself, you're expected to know and follow all of the rules of evidence, all the rules of procedure. And so you're really at a disadvantage if you don't know those things. And so you have to do everything just like the assistant district attorney would. And if you don't, you're going to be in front of a jury, and it's going to show, and it's just not going to be, it usually does not work out in your benefit.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors.
Good morning again. All right, so we're going to go through this, and you're Janetta Pugh. And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
She will, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Pugh, in cause number 22-39902, the state has elected to proceed on the lesser offense of a Class A misdemeanor assault, and that's from June 22nd of 2021. And how do you plead to that charge? And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Nobody forced you to plead guilty, right? So I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed those, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes? Well, let me stop. Actually, I'm going to go back. So Ms. Holmes was your attorney before, and then I appointed Mr. Jeffries. You asked to speak to Ms. Holmes today, and you want her to represent you in this plea. Is that correct? Yes. Then on the record, I am going to reappoint Ms. Holmes, and I appreciate you coming back and taking care of this. So this, the documents that I have here on the computer, before you signed them, you went over them with Ms. Holmes? Yes, ma'am. And do you understand them? Yes, ma'am. And do you understand if I follow this agreement that you cannot appeal? You can't change your mind later and say, I don't want to do this if I follow it today. Do you understand? Yes, state tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Any evidence Ms. Pugh's not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Pugh, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty to the lesser offense of assault freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent, you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of the Class A misdemeanor of assault. Sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail. You do receive credit on that sentence for the time that you've been in custody. I'm going to hand you a trial court certification. It does show this was an agreement, and I followed it, so you can't appeal or change your mind. You should have credit on this sentence. It will take a little bit. Ms. Werner's going to get that paperwork done. Once it gets to the jail, you should be released later today. Okay? I appreciate you listening to everyone today, and this is obviously much better than you sitting in jail for who knows how long, right? Yes, all right. Take care of yourself.
And now for our second follow-up.
Court calls case of the people versus Forbes Dabney.
Special appearance, Forbes Dabney. Who is this guy?
Outside.
Are you?
Does he need the hearing things?
Yes. Okay,
Mr. Dabney, you need the hearing thing, that you need some assistance on that? Okay, they won't fit over that hat you're inappropriately wearing in my courtroom. There we go.
Nice hat though. I do like slide it. Okay. Wherever you like, put it down there. Oh, what is this? So put it down here so you can like this. There we go.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Odatella, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Forbes Dabney.
Okay. Who am I talking to?
Not entirely sure, but it would be me.
And your name is?
It's right there in bold letters in the front.
I see a judge and a period, a J and a period.
Yes.
I don't know your name.
It's all there.
Okay, that's all there.
Yes, that's all there. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for, I believe, competency.
So this is a special hearing, right?
Yes.
I come here for what they call that thing of judge jury thing. That's today.
Today is the competency on your case.
I didn't ask for that. I asked for a judge
There's a
Or
judge
jury.
today. There's a judge today present.
Got one.
We got one
to
today.
do a jury. What is that the thing called? A judge. I had a stroke.
Yes, sir, Mr. Dabney.
So I have names.
Let me help you out here. You're very welcome, sir.
I come for a jury. What do they call that? A thing when they got a
A trial.
trial,
Yes.
attorney by trial, attorney by trial.
We're going to get through this today,
I thought that was today.
not today.
Why not?
That's another part of the process. Okay. We're going to help get
I
through
just
this.
need I just need to get the process going. What's the who the guys, the police officers?
There are police officers, there's a judge.
Are they
there
gonna be here?
attorneys. I don't believe they're here today. Okay.
Mr. Dabney?
We get them named in?
We're going to try to get them there. We're going to do a lot of stuff in your case. Okay. But today is for competency. Okay.
I don't need that.
Yeah.
Well, the judge is going to help us figure that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi. You good?
your first name is? Okay.
Well,
What's going on?
it kind of is.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Yes.
Well, we're waiting on a report on your case. We don't have it.
What, you said again, a report?
A report on your case regarding competency, so that then once we get that, we hopefully can move the case along.
Okay, then we're gonna do that at a different time?
We're gonna do it at a different time.
Well, can we move?
Pardon?
Can we move
Can we move
to another time?
to another day?
Yes,
I'd be more than happy to.
thank you.
All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn this competency hearing. 1 month out is what, the 18th, 19th, 20th, June?
Yes.
So I'll move the competency hearing to June 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. David.
I did not ask for that.
You didn't ask for what?
Whatever you got there, right there. What is this thing you're getting ready to do? I didn't sign up for that.
Oh, I know, but yes, you did.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, no, okay, I signed you up for it.
You signed me up.
Yep, I did.
By what case number?
By what case number? This case number.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah. We're
Okay.
Move on.
yeah, we'll move
talk
on.
about it outside, Mr. Dabney.
All right.
Take care of it, okay?
Fine,
You wanna take that
continue.
For you?
Hmm?
You want to take this for you?
Take it, please.
Yes, sir. All right. There you go. Thank you. Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Dabney. Have a
Thank
great
you
day.
kindly, Judge. Appreciate that.
Yep, put the hat back on. All right, go ahead. You had it wrong.
And so there you have it.
Yep, it all worked out in the end, you think?
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video, you can be in a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. And if you'd like to become a member, click on join right next to subscribe or the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging around, thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.